Something boring that my teacher wants me to do. What is so cool about manufacturing? Like, it's very boring.
Well, I heard about this place called Allegheny, New York. Maybe we should go there to find out.
Awesome!
Welcome to Allegheny, New York, the leading manufacturer and distributor of quality seals and packings for commercial, industrial, and military applications for 44 years.
They first wrap the rubber and cut it into thin pieces.
My name's Joe, and my job title is wrapper. It's a lot of time and physical work, but like I said, we want to make a good product. So this is where we actually go over and over and over and make sure everything's fine till it goes out the door.
Next, we move on to the mold maker, who creates molds for the mold press to shape out the V packing.
My name is Mark Cooper. I am the journeyman tool maker. Education. Every day you're learning something. I've been doing it for 29 years, and every day I'm learning something. Every day I'm figuring something out, and the creativity side of it.
Then we move on to the mold press.
And my name's Kim Moore, and I'm a press operator. I get preforms, and I put them in, feed them into the machines and stuff, and they press out the parts. I made a part the other week, and it was for, they told me it was for a motorcycle, like the shocks on the front of a motorcycle. So that was pretty cool. The mold was pretty big and stuff, and that's the first time we ever ran it and stuff.
In the final step before it heads into